Reflection of light by a plane mirror. The phenomenon of bouncing back of light from the surface of an object is called reflection of light. Reflection gives rise to image formation. Activity. To observe the phenomenon of reflection of light from a mirror, go to a room with a friend. Take a mirror and a torch along with you. Switch off the lights of the room. Ask your friend to hold a mirror and stand in front of you at a distance. Direct the beam of the torchlight into the mirror. What do you observe? You will observe a patch of light on the other side wall of the room. Now turn the direction of the torch or the direction of the mirror. What do you observe? You will observe a patch of light, but now on another side of wall of the room. This shows that a mirror changes the direction of the light that falls on it. Activity. To observe that light traveling in a straight line gets reflected from a mirror. Take a large thermocol sheet and paste a sheet of paper on it. Take a comb and a mirror. Fix the comb on one side of the thermocol sheet and the mirror on the other side. Direct a beam of torchlight through the comb. What do you observe? You will get a pattern as shown. This shows that light travels in a straight line and gets reflected from the mirror. Keynotes to remember. Light is a form of energy which is essential for life on Earth. Those objects that produce their own light are called luminous objects. Objects that do not produce their own light are called non-luminous objects. Light always travels in a straight line. An object that allows light to pass through it is called transparent. An object that does not allow light to pass through it is called opaque. An object that allows light to pass through it partially is called translucent. A shadow is formed when the path of light is obstructed by an opaque object. A shadow is always black or gray in color. During a solar eclipse, the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. During a lunar eclipse, the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. A plane mirror forms an image when light from the object actually reaches the eyes after reflection from the mirror. A pinhole camera forms an inverted image of an object on a screen. Key terms. Eclipse. When the shadow of the earth or moon falls on the surface of the other, an eclipse occurs. Luminous objects. Objects that produce their own light, for example, the sun. Lunar eclipse. When the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. Non-luminous objects. Objects that do not produce their own light, but reflect the light of the luminous objects, for example, the moon. Opaque material. A material that completely blocks the light and does not allow the light to pass through it is called an opaque material. Reflection. The phenomenon of bouncing back of light from the surface of an object. Shadow. An area of darkness formed by an opaque object obstructing light is called a shadow. Solar eclipse. when the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. Transparent material. A material that allows the light to pass through it is called a transparent material. Translucent material. A material that allows some amount of light to pass through it is called a translucent material.